Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine. I'm Gunjan, your EVS teacher from the Wisdom School, Sirsa. Students, in our previous lecture, we learned about different body parts. Okay, I gave you homework. Make a list of different body parts. All of you have done your homework. Tell me yes or no. I hope all you have done your homework. Students, so there are different body parts. See here, neck. With the help of neck, you can move your head like this. Okay? With the help of your neck, you can move your head in left side also and in right side also. Okay, so head is also our body part. Head. Okay, I'm writing here on this whiteboard. Okay, with the help of my hands. So hands are also our body part. Okay, this one I can move like this. Okay, this is my arm, so arm is also our body part. You can move like this. Okay, so with the help of legs you can move. Okay, so legs are also our body part. Leg. Stomach. Stomach. Eyes. Ear. Eyes. You can see with your eyes. Ear. You can hear any sound with the help of your ears. Nose. You can smell anything and you can breathe with your nose. Okay, so there are different body parts. Okay, so what is the function of these body parts? In briefly we will discuss about in higher classes. Okay, so tell me only two things. With the help of hands and leg, what we can do? Tell me. With the help of hand you can write anything, you can cut anything. Okay, and you can paint anything. Okay, draw कर सकते हो आप कुछ. Okay, with the help of your hand. Okay, and with the help of leg you can move like this. Okay, you can jump. Okay, so different activities, many activities you can do with your hands also, like clap. Okay, and with your leg also. Okay, so students, see here, what is this? This is my hand. Okay, we have 5 fingers. All we have 5 fingers. Okay, the first finger that stands apart, जितनी भी fingers हैं राजे उनसे जो अलग है, that stands apart is known as thumb. See here, known as thumb. Okay, my dear students, the first finger after the thumb is known as pointed finger. Known as pointed finger. This pointed finger. Like I am point like this. I am pointing like this with my this finger, neck, head, hands. Okay, so this is known as pointed finger. Okay, now see the third finger, middle finger. Okay, so third finger is known as middle finger. Two are here on this side, two are here on this side, so this is middle finger, this one. Okay, middle finger. Okay, the fourth finger is known as ring finger. Okay, fourth finger is known as ring finger. Okay, the last finger, which is very small, okay, is known as baby finger. What is the name of this finger? Baby finger. Baby finger. Okay, students, so these are the name of our fingers. Thumb, see here, thumb, pointed finger, middle finger, ring finger and baby finger. Okay, similarly, Razi, we have 5 toe. Okay, the first toe, which is very big, okay, is known as big toe. Okay, in your foot, Razi, we have 5 toe. Okay, so big is known as big toe and small is known as smallest toe. Okay, so this is about our hand. Okay, now students, see my face. You can see. Okay, you can see my face. Okay, I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose. Okay, with the help of eyes you can see anything. Okay, with the help of ear you can listen anything, listen any sound. Okay, with the help of nose you can smell anything. Okay, my cheeks look like red. Okay, my cheeks looks red. And my mouth above my chin is to smile. Okay, so this is my face. Okay, my mouth above my chin, this is my chin. Okay, my mouth above my chin is to smile or grin, like broad smile. Okay, so students, what we have done today, the name of different body parts and to know about our hand. Okay, what is the name of fingers? 5. What is the name of 5 fingers? Okay, and about my face. Okay, I hope all of you understand this. Okay, thank you, students.